Hello guys, and welcome to another slime episode. I think it's slime. It is a butter by number. I don't know where it says it, but it is super. There it is. Silky Buttery Slime. So it is slime. Confirmed. Slime is confirmed. Oh, I dropped it. It's butter pods, molds, instant fruity spray, tools, and ribbons. I don't know why I'm reading what kind of. I never do that. It's cute. Wait, they all have shades. They all fancy with them shades. That looks 4 shades. Oh, that was no shade. Wait, that one doesn't shades. That was the blush. What are these? These look like candies. I think they're candies for sure. Okay, so let's open this. Compound rings, kings. That definitely didn't fly off the screen. Okay. I don't know, this paper there. Instructions. Oh, yeah, it's better by number. That's why there's numbers there. I opened it. Oh, better by number. There's a color key. That makes sense. How is he supposed to know what the color if there's not a color key? It's got 2 lids. Oh wait, I did not expect them to look like that. I don't know if I do it like this or like this. Oh, probably like this. And the numbers are actually 4. Okay, there they are. They're labeled. Yes, the pinks are the same. They look crusty. They look crusty. So some crusty pinks. Spread. I don't need to open that. It's got stuff around. You don't need you. It's fine. I mean, probably gonna need you later, but not right now. If you're wondering where the other 4 pins are, here they are. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So like the paints are here. Actually, oh, they're different. Oh, the pinks and the purples are different pinks and purples. I don't know if it picks up on the camera. They're different. I mean, the purples are easy to tell. The pinks are a little hard. Tools. Open the tools, because you're probably gonna need the tools. See what I'm doing? It's in the bag. Okay, that's an option. That's a way to get it out, I guess. Goodbye. Ooh. Okay guys, we're back and we got some of it in. It's supposed to be soft, but the ones are just crusty. The pink one is just very crusty for some reason. It's not supposed to be like that, but it's bouncy and crusty, so some things happen sometimes, and that's the thing that happened. So this is what we got so far. I think I showed it earlier, but I don't know which way I'm holding it. Yeah, holding it the right way, I believe. So that's how much we got so far. Putting in the yellow. I don't know if we have enough of it, because I can't fill this whole thing, and there is no more yellow in this cup. As you can now see, it's a very empty cup with no 4 yellow in it. And also the orange. The rest of them are squishy though. There's not one. I'm trying to close. Thank you for closing. Thank you for your cooperation. So we're gonna keep going to keep doing this yellow part. And so we're going to time lapse that. So you don't have to watch me do this. I mean, you kind of do, but not the slow motion. You guys are snooping. This is picking up sounds. This is ASMR. I'm getting the ASMR. This is actually picking up the sounds that I'm making. I need something over here. Drag it. Can I drag it? Can I drag it? No, I can't. I'm bad at it. No, I don't want to scoop the whole thing. It's gonna break it. Let's scoop the whole thing. I'm bad at this, obviously. Okay, let's see. What can I do with this? ASMR now. Why is it so satisfying? You're not satisfying. I'm addicted to that sound. No, because sprinkles are pink. I usually when I watch things. Wow! Good. It's not. It is not ASMR time. Oh wait, do you not have ceiling lamps? I thought you had plastic around here. Don't. That works. Get rid of my eyes. And freeze my eyes. I think that's enough. I want to touch it. I'll learn not to do it that way. See what? Okay, so that should be instant freezing, I guess. I had to place it there. Like water. It feels like if you could hold water. That's what it feels like. Weird. Quite weird. But that's literally what it feels like. So, and here's the glitters we'll probably use next time for these, because these actually take a long time to make. I'm probably going to do this one next. Mostly because it has the least amount of it has the least amount of parts. Like, it doesn't have that many parts. I'm pretty sure this has the most parts. This one is also crazy. I like it. I like this sensor. You can use the code Q and Q as a guide and feel free to create your own colorful combination. that. I don't know why you want me to. It says just tie the ribbon as provided loop. I don't know why. I guess it will. We'll tie the ribbon. I don't know how to tie a ribbon like a bow. We can do this then. We can do this. Oh. I broke it. What broke it? How about this time it doesn't break? I thought you were doing the bow, but it's just gonna break. It didn't break this time. I'm scared of making it tighter. It's gonna break it again, and then I can't even tie it. I have an extra ribbon now. I don't know what I'm doing. Just put it through here because I feel like putting it through holes. I dropped it. I don't have the greatest hand coordination. Not really. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Okay guys, bye! Hope you had fun enjoying this video and me struggling on making this and breaking a ribbon perhaps. But hope you enjoyed this video. I said that twice. Bye!